welcome to Cooking with Cam. Today I got out my original grill, a grill I bought back in 2009 when I really got serious about smoking, and it's a Bubba Keg. And I have not treated this grill very well. I bought a pellet grill, I bought a Vision grill, and it kind of got pushed to the side with a cover on it. So anyway, I thought I'd get it out. I seen it sitting over there and I said I need to get this thing out and cook with it. It is basically bulletproof. You can't hardly hurt this grill. So anyway, let me show you what it looks like. Take a walk around here. I think I'm on a rotisserie with it today. So basically it's a steel drum with oven insulation in it, and I've got my Weber basket in the very back. When you rotisserie, you got to push all your charcoal to the back. So seems to be that all the green egg accessories fit on here very well. So anyway, like I said, it needs some work. It needs some new tape at the top right here. You know, I'm going to replace all that and try to get her cleaned up. But for the time being, I thought I'd fire her up. She's seasoned so well, and see how the chicken tastes. So let me get her going, and we'll throw some chickens on here, and I'll update you shortly. Alright, I got her up and running. One of them I've got John Henry's herb rub on. The other ones I got Killer Hogs AP rub, which is just salt, pepper, and garlic. So we're going to let these things rotisserie for a little while and see how it turns out. Okay, about an hour in, and starting to crisp up a little bit. Okay, this is your Killer Hogs, and this is your garlic. Still sprinkling on us a little bit, so we'll check back in. Let's take a look at the chicken now. Starting to crisp up a little bit here. This is gonna be good. Just got them off the grill. Let me show you what they look like. Turned out real juicy. And we're going to try some piece here. Great. Bubba Keg still got it after all these years. So go put you some chicken on the grill. Well, thanks for watching Cooking with Cam.